Hi, TechNation editor John Wallace here. Today we are joined by Rich Sable from EQ2. Rich, can you tell us a little bit more about EQ2 and how it helps TechNation readers?
Hi John, TechNation audience, thanks for having me. HEMS has been in existence for over 30 years. It stands for Hospital Equipment Management System. HEMS was founded as a collaborative between ASHI, the Kellogg Foundation, and the University of Vermont. It was commercialized in 1993 under EQ2, and EQ2 was acquired by AMT Data South in 2013. Most of our staff has over 20 years experience. All our support is US based, and our only vertical is healthcare. So we're very knowledgeable about the biomed and facilities markets. That's a little bit about EQ2.
Thank you, Rich. In the July issue of TechNation, the RoundTable article was on CMMS. Can you tell us a little bit more about EQ2's solution?
So John, HEMS is a great solution for hospitals. As mentioned, with our 30 years experience, we've brought a lot of knowledge into the program and into its design to incorporate all the workflows. We try to address the needs for the entire biomed department at the management level. We have different dashboards for monitoring regulatory compliance and other KPIs. Performance benchmark tools make it easier to identify your high risk, non-high risk, and your AEM type inventory. We have an AEM dashboard that also helps you screen and approve which devices should or shouldn't be put onto an AEM program. From the technician level, we have multiple solutions for them to use in the field. They have a wireless program, HEMS Remote. That's an app that works on Apple and Android products. They can complete their work orders, add new inventory. And then we still have our Web Enterprise product, which is connected. An advantage of being connected is it does offer live reporting. That also allows you to complete work orders and to add new inventory to the product. We always listen to our customers, and I guess that's one of our strengths as we talk about our different products. And this year we've added 4 new products that we introduced at AMI. HEMS Web was the primary. HEMS Web is a new URL-based HEMS Enterprise. So all the strength and power of HEMS Enterprise is now available in a URL-based product. This product will work on Edge and Chrome browsers, on Apple, Android, or Windows devices. It has a customizable interface, so each technician or manager could have their own layout. You can adjust where information is going to appear, whether it's going to be expanded, not expanded, what columns you want to see. And it's going to have all the same menus and layouts of HEMS Enterprise, so if you're already familiar with HEMS, you'll be very familiar with HEMS Web, except you will benefit from the nicer, fresher interface and a much easier install, as there's nothing to install on the Windows applications. The second product we introduced was our project management module. Our project management module does just that. It lets you create projects and all the sub tasks that need to be created. They could have varying start times or simultaneous start times. The Gantt chart will then show you the progression of what was budgeted and what's been actually completed in a time perspective. Each individual work order, you could see the total time, parts and labor costs, and then the overall project hours, parts and labor costs. So this was a second new product that we've added. Our third product was an AutoCAD interface for our Web Enterprise. We've partnered with AutoForge, which is an Autodesk company as well, and your AutoCAD drawings will be digitized or vectorized, as they call it, with AutoForge, and then your drawings would now appear in the Web Enterprise application. You can interact with inventory, getting asset information, creating work orders, even from things like room dimensions or getting areas. So if you have to put a carpet into an area, you don't actually have to go out there and physically measure the room. You can do it right from the drawing itself. And our final product is a HEMS Request product. The HEMS Request is a great new tool. Web Request was always on the hospital intranet, but sometimes nurses are just too busy. They get called from room to room. They might forget they even solve problems. So from their cell phone, they could either put in the request by scanning the barcode, if you're barcode enabled, or entering equipment information and putting that request right into HEMS from their mobile application. And then finally, we're really great at interfacing. We've worked with OneSource, electronic testers, RFID, procurement, cybersecurity, and many other products that are coming out. This will help let you use your CMMS as the source of truth for all the assets, and then interface with all the new tools that are coming out to help make your department that much greater and stronger. So these are some of the reasons HEMS will really benefit the biomed department. So give us a call, check out our website, www.eq2llc.com, and schedule a demo, and we'd be happy to show you how to implement HEMS at your facility. Thanks, John.
Rich, thank you so much for your time today and sharing your insights with our readers. For more information on CMMS systems, check out the RoundTable article in the July issue of TechNation.